Hey guys, how's it going today? I'm going to talk to you about M1 Finance. I've been with it a month now, so I'm going to give you an update. Stay tuned for this video because I'm going to give you a nice detailed Excel spreadsheet of how I've been doing it and how my account's already growing. Even though it's been a month, I can see the growth that I'm going to have going forward. So I have two spreadsheets. One I created when I started, after I was in about a week and a half, and then one I created today just to show a baseline and what I'm doing now. So stay tuned for that. Uh, yeah, so let's get into it. So this is my account. I got currently $1,437 in it. I started with $500 deposit on August 6th, so not quite a month. And it's been a decent month so far. Made $40, 4.2% in a month. I'll take that anytime. My account, just for any of you that haven't watched any of my videos, it's geared more towards dividend stocks, but I do have a balance. I don't have all dividend stocks like some guys out there that are just going after dividends only. I'm going for a combination of dividends plus growth, plus I'm mirroring the S&P 500 because nobody usually ever beats the S&P 500. People try, and the S&P always ends up winning based on history. So I'm not going to go too much into that, but as you can see from some of my accounts, I got currently 3 dividend accounts, a speculative account, which is just high growth, big money, which is the big ticket ones, the Amazons, the Netflixes, I got Boeing in there, I got Tesla in there, um, Apple. Those are the big ones, and then funds, which I mirror the S&P. But like I said, I wanted to get into the spreadsheets today. I don't want to talk too much about this. If you have any specific questions, please leave them below. You guys have been amazing the last couple of videos. I've set a couple small goals on likes and subscribers, and you guys have been awesome. I've hit the goals. I'm not going to set a goal on this one. I just appreciate all the support you guys are giving me. So let's get into the first spreadsheet. So guys, this is the first one I made on, as you can see, August 12th. I made this spreadsheet, and that's only after I'd been in, 6-7 days. So this is kind of just a baseline. There's not really much value in this spreadsheet other than to show you kind of where I started. So the way I created it, I had 27 stocks in here, about half and half monthly and quarterly dividend paying stocks, and this is the dividend based on how many shares I have, the value I have per dividend payout, and then how much I would make per year on that dividend. So as you can see, the first one was just $20.12 yearly dividends. But like I said, there's not much value in here on this one because it was such a beginning. And when I created this on 8/12, I had $685 in the account. So let's go into the next spreadsheet, which I'm going to talk a little bit more about. And I did add some stocks since this one. As you can see, I had 27 stocks on this one. And I currently have 40 minus 1, so 39 stocks on this one. You can kind of look at some of the ones I have. Again, I have quarterlies and monthlies. Let's see. It looks like I have 23 quarterlies right now. So the rest would be, 17, 16 monthlies. I want to increase the monthlies to match up. But I don't want to dilute my account so much that I have 100, 150 stocks in it. I want to get my account to roughly 60, 70-ish stocks. With the combination of what I have, I think that'll be the sweet spot. But and I might delete some as I go, but I'm gonna add some more. I want to get it to where I'm getting dividends monthly. And as you can tell from some of my videos, I am a goal-oriented person. So I have goals I want to set on here. So as you can see, the second month, not the second month, the first month, my second spreadsheet I've already increased it from $20 to now I got $50.86 in projected yearly dividend income. And that's going to be more because I'm constantly adding money in, and you're making money on the dividends that get redistributed into your account, so you're making money on your money. So when you're having a dividend yield, that always is usually pretty low. Say you have a 5% dividend yield on a monthly stock, but you have to figure you're reinvesting every month. So that 5% over the course of the year might be 6%, 6.5%, because your dividends reinvested is making that 5% too. So, so kind of let's look at, let's kind of see which is my best one so far. And I'm with using Excel online, so it doesn't have all the capabilities of the regular Excel. So here we go. So I did it from bottom, but CLM, I don't know if I recommend this one yet, but it's a very high yield, and so far it's been doing me well. But I mean, as you can see, it's almost a 20% yield, which is super high risk. You don't know if the company's going to continue to pay. But that one's going to be $6.34 for the year, so that's a big majority of my dividends right there. So I'm going to add more to that one as it goes. And here's some of my other better payers: NCMI, which is a quarterly, GOF a monthly, Core quarterly, then everything else is monthly. So I would say my monthly ones are going to be my the ones that go into my account the most. And so my goal on this, my initial goal, is I want to have one dividend that's paying me at least $10 a year. And, you know, obviously as this is growing, that's going to happen fairly quickly. And then my next goal would be to have a $10 dividend payout. And then, you know, after that, my goals will be on a monthly basis, you know, get up to $100 in income a month, just dividend income, and then increase that. And this is just a start account that I've done that I'm going to build on. But I already have an IRA account and a couple other accounts. And my IRA account, I'm already making $200 a month in dividend incomes because I started a couple years ago. And I just switched it. I had... Which one did I had? I had KBWD. I had a bulk of my shares in that, and I was making roughly about $110. And then I switched all those shares, and I switched it into GOF, which is a higher dividend yield, and it's been performing a little bit better. So that increased my monthly dividend by about $50 in that, and then I have a couple other small dividends. So... So maybe after I get with M1 Finance, I can show you a couple of my other accounts. I also have a 401k at work, but that one I don't have as much flexibility as far as me changing it. So anyways, guys, I hope this was informative. If you want to join M1 Finance, I'll leave a link below. I mean, I highly recommend it. This is the way to go in investing. It's free commissions. You can buy fractional shares. I mean, you can see on some of these, you know, I own 0.2 shares, and some that I just started invested in, 0.08 shares, 0.14 shares. So, I mean, it's great that you can own fractional shares and you can build your portfolio up and make the good dividends and have your money making money, compounding interest, and all that good stuff. So, thanks again, guys. This one got a little long. I always try to keep my videos to about 5 minutes, but I guess when I start talking about the Excel spreadsheets, I'm probably going to go in a little longer. So just be warned when I do have these monthly updates, or whenever I do my spreadsheet, which I plan on doing once a month to show you the increase in value, that those will be a little bit longer than normal. So appreciate it, guys. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button so you get future notifications, and take care. Great investing out there, guys. Bye.